Now the really important thing is you can't let this paint sit on the tool and on the mixing device. It's just going to cake it up and it's going to ruin the device. So you have to rinse it out immediately. You've got it on the cordless drill, so we might as well put it under running water and rinse it off. So you can start by just running water through it. And that will get most of the paint out of it. You can go the other way, you can go reverse. You can go forward and reverse when you're mixing it too. And then take it off. You can see we still have a lot of paint in there that we need to get out, and we have paint on the shaft. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you get all the paint out of all the little grooves, otherwise the paint builds up and it's not going to be effective if it's got too much paint on it. I'd like to avoid using these just because of the extra cleanup involved. So I tend to do everything by hand. But you're more than welcome to do this and use these, but you just have to clean them. This is the 1 gallon mixer. This is another variation of the 1 gallon mixer. This is a 5 gallon mixer. This is big enough for a 5 gallon. And there are a couple other designs here. But the metal things, these would be slightly easier to clean, and you might be able to get down in there and dig up some of that gunked up paint on the bottom. And this is a different design as well. So.